Hi everyone. So it's been a little while since I've had a chance to get in the garden because it has been so cold. But Christmas Day of all days, it is 75 degrees and absolutely gorgeous. So I've got Sadie out here and I'm going to get some things cleaned up, get what I can done in the garden, and just enjoy it out here. It is absolutely glorious. So come along, let me show you what I will hope to get done today. I apologize for the shadows, but it's that time of day. But I'd like to get this area cleaned up. We've got all weeds in here that are growing, and get this area cleaned up. See Sadie over there? We went for a 4 mile hike today and she's a bit worn out, so she'll just be relaxing over there. And then I'd like to get this edged again so that we've got a nice separation between the bed and the grass, and just tidy up this area some. And I would like to get that bird bath cleaned out, but we'll see what happens for today. We do have a couple of nice days, so I'll just get started and see what we get done. Okay, so I didn't get everything done that I wanted, but that's okay because what I did get done was all of the leaves got cleaned out of here. This area did get all weeded. Now, you'll see all the pots here. All of those pots had been along the driveway, or the plants were just sitting here. That's the monkey grass for the HOA. And I just needed to get it out of this area because it was blocking me every time I pulled into the driveway. So I really wanted that gone. So I cut back a bunch of them, and those are ready to be planted when I get to them. And then these are just some other plants that I have to repot or replant around that I have taken. And then got the driveway, all of this cleaned up, and this area all cleaned up. So now everything is neat. My next goal will be to cut some more of this stuff in here, and I want to go through and show you how I did this irrigation system so that it may be something that you're able to do. And it really is a lifesaver, but that's for another video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this day in the garden as much as I did, and you had a Merry Christmas however you celebrated, if you celebrated at all, or maybe you're like me and you just enjoyed time in the garden. But until next time, bye.